So welcome to another Thursday Thought. And today I want to talk about wearables on a production line. And we've been fortunate to try out a number of these wearables in different applications on a production line. So we've tried out a number of these augmented reality glasses for operator guidance and to help out operators to know what to do, when to do it. And they come in different forms. This is a newer version that's a little bit more ergonomic. We've introduced a smartwatch onto one of our production lines where the operators can hit OK, not OK, without having to walk to a station. And we've even introduced a smartphone onto the shop floor where the smartphone is attached onto the operator's arm so they can interact and look at work instructions and press OK, not OK, etc. But we've had a number of challenges with these wearables on production lines. For example, these augmented reality glasses only really last 2 hours from a battery life perspective, and they get pretty warm. So we even introduced a battery pack the operator would wear in their pocket to keep this powered, but it wasn't ergonomic. I couldn't wear this for more than 1 hour without feeling uncomfortable. The newer versions of these glasses, the screens are not that great and always in your way, for example. Interestingly, the problem we had with the smartwatch was that when we gave in the proof of concept phase, gave the smartwatch to one shift of operators, they wanted to take it home, and so the second shift didn't get smartwatches because they felt it belonged to them. And it brought up this whole debate about who owns the wearable. Is it the operator? Is it the company? And once it got into that level, the technology wasn't the problem anymore. It was more of a change management challenge. And then the obvious problem with the smartphone on the arm was that it wasn't ergonomic. It was really uncomfortable, wearing it for over 8 hours a day. And so unfortunately, the experiences we've had over the last couple of years with wearables on a production line hasn't been positive. But we do believe it's a technology of the future. Unfortunately, we've been, as the hardware develops, we've been developing our technology in the background to keep up with that. One application that we have tried that does kind of work is the use for maintenance and remote support, where we've tried a number of different augmented reality glasses. This is one of them, and there's a couple of other brands out there. But even with that wasn't perfect. What we found was that our technicians were defaulting back to their smartphones because they could WhatsApp pretty quickly, they could iMessage very quickly, they could share documents much easier, and most importantly, we found that the smartphone cameras have much higher resolutions, and when you're taking pictures of intricate details in an electrical panel, for example, the smartphones are able to take better pictures than the currently available augmented reality glasses. So it is a product for the future, and we hope that the hardware develops a little bit faster so that we can start deploying some of these advanced technologies onto production lines in a real, practical way that is sustainable. Here's another Thursday Thought.